Get into the 2025 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, navigation system, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, premium sound system, keyless start, adaptive cruise control. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.